Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming power and safety. Plug the Siemens stove into a grounded outlet and check the circuit rating. Once done, remove packaging and place flat-bottom cookware on the burners you'll use, because good contact ensures even heating. Now switch the main power or ECO mode to on and watch the display light up. This verifies system readiness. Make sure child lock is off. If active, press and hold the lock icon for about 3 seconds to deactivate it. Then proceed. You now select cooking zones and apply heat. Tap the desired zone and use the +/- buttons or slider to set levels 1 through 9, or pick power boost for a quick high output. This controls element temperature precisely. If using a long pan, link zones with the bridge function so heat distributes evenly across the surface. Once set, engage the timer for each zone as needed and note the residual heat indicator. It warns you the glass remains hot even after shutdown, for safety. You finish by turning each zone to 0 and switching the main power off, then wait until the residual heat indicator clears before cleaning. A damp cloth and mild cleaner remove spills safely. If an E-code appears, reset power for 30 seconds, then reselect zones. Many errors clear with a reboot. If persistent, check the manual for the specific code. For uneven cooking, make sure your cookware has a flat base and matches the burner size. Mismatched pans cause hot spots and poor contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.